Hi, I'm Candy Sherwin. Thank you for coming here to this line dance channel to learn a dance called So Just Dance, Dance, Dance. And it is a 32 count improver level. It does have a tag, easy tag, a restart. It's choreographed by Jose Miguel Belloc-Vane and Guillaume Richard. And Scully is ready to, well, I guess he's not ready to teach you, so he's just going to kind of hang out over here, and I'm going to fix your ear. Oh, it's going to hang out anyway. And I'm going to turn around so we can start. Okay, we're going to start with a Samba whisk. The right foot is going to cross over, and it's like a cross ball change, but your body's going to go to an angle. It goes over, rock, recover, and you're at a slight diagonal. Then with the same rhythm, take it over, back, back, and 4 walks back, which you can either just walk it or to add a little flavor to it. That's another dance. You're gonna maybe like skate back a little bit to add a little flavor on that. Okay? So it looks like this. We have 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, second count of 8. After you have taken it back, I'm moving forward, make sure I have a little bit of space, and maybe I won't step on Scully. You've taken your 7, 8, so you're weighted on your left. This is a right coaster step, taking your right foot back, step together, step forward, 3 weight changes, 2 half turns following your right shoulder. So we're coming back to this wall, left foot back, right foot forward, step out on your left, and go rock, recover, left, rock, recover. That looks like this. I've just finished my turn, and I'll go left, right, step, right, left. And that happens on 5, 6, and 7, 8. So that count of 8 from the top, starting with the coaster step, 7, 8, we have back together, forward step, right, left, right, left, right, left. 2 8s, put them together. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, over 3 and 4, we're going to walk, and 6 and 7, coaster, right, half left and right, side rock, step, side rock. You're weighted on your left. Third count of 8 is a half a turn following your right shoulder while doing a sailor step. So we want to make sure we cup this right foot behind, take your left foot out, and your right foot forward to end that sailor. Another triple step, because that's a triple, shuffle forward, left, right, left. Okay, let me just do those, the first 4 counts for you. So you've just finished your weight on your left, sailor step turning, 1 and 2, shuffle forward, 3 and 4. Now, I'm back up a little bit. 5, 6, 7, 8 are all quarter turns. The first 3 are little paddle turns. You're gonna point that foot to the side, kind of push off of it. You're gonna go 1, actually that's 5, and 6, and 7, and as you make your 4th quarter turn, take your right foot and flick it back. Okay? So let's talk about that. You've just finished your shuffle, 3 and 4. It goes 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Now be careful on that flick. That's why I kind of said flick it back. Don't rotate it. Don't let it flick you, because your next step is towards that wall, and it will throw off your where you're supposed to be. All right? I'm going to add that on. 6, 7, 8. We have 1 and 2, over 3, back, walk, 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 coaster right, right, left, right 2 halves, go 5, 6, and 7, coaster, sailor, 1 and 2, shuffle, 3 and 4, paddle 5 and 6 and 7, and flick. And you should be at 3 o'clock. All right? Now our next wall is 9. Well, we got 1 more wall, so we got to get from here to here. So after my flick, I'm going to take another shuffle forward with my right foot. Right, left, right. Now, this is a chase turn, which is step, turn, step. still like a triple because it counts for 3 and 4. Step, turn, step. So 3 weight changes. All right, so do the shuffle with me. You've just done your flick. We have 1 and 2, left, right, left. 3 and 4. Right foot, left foot, 2 walks with a skate, right, left, and a kickball step. Kickball step. So you're weighted forward on that left foot, but not on your dog's head. Okay? Let's just go ahead and take that from the shuffle. 6, 7, 8. We have right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, a kickball step. And then you're ready to go over and out to start it again. It's the whole thing without the tag and restart. So I'm going to take it at 2 balls for you. We'll make sure that we go nice and kind of slow on that first one, and then we'll speed it up a bit. It is a peppy song, so when you do get to watching this on YouTube and you need to dance it, because you know I always dance it at the end of the lesson, if it's too fast, go to that little wheel at the bottom on your YouTube channel, and if you hit it, it'll give you a playback setting, and you can slow it down a little bit or a lot to maybe help you if you're struggling with the timing. All right, so let's do it twice. Here we go. 6, 7, samba whisk goes 1 and 2, a 3 and 4, a 5 and 6 and 7, coaster step, a 1 and 2, turn it 3, 4, take it 5, 6 and 7, sailor, 1 and 2, shuffle, 3 and paddle, turn 5, quarter, quarter, 7, quarter, 8, 1 and 2, turn 3 and 4, a 5, a 6, we're going to go again, a 1 and 2, a 3 and 4, back 5, back 6, back 7, coaster now, 1 and 2, turn right and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, turn 1 and 2, a 3 and paddle, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, skate, skate, kick, and step. Okay? So, little things in there can be a little bit tricky. It might take a little while to just kind of remember the order of things, because some of it's kind of similar. You know, do I do just a pivot turn? Am I doing a chase turn? So take your time learning it. I always put the step sheet in my description. So beneath the video itself, there's a description. Tick the more and you'll see the step sheet will be there if you need to clarify steps or directions or counts or anything like that. Okay? So let me talk about the restart. The restart happens during wall 5. Wall 5 is back at 12 o'clock, so it's on when you start your second rotation. And all you do is dance 2 8s, kind of a typical restart, and then start the dance again. So we're here on wall 5. We take it over 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. Coaster, 1 and 2, turn 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and that's your restart. So it keeps you at the correct wall, all right? Now the little tag that happens is, excuse me, after we do wall 11, it's at the end of wall 11 before wall 12. So here is wall 11. So I'm going to be finishing wall 11 over here, and my last thing that I'm going to do is that kick ball step. All I'm going to do is take my left arm, put it out to the left, and look over it. Left, that's 1, 2, right, 3, 4. And it's almost like you're saying stop. You know, you don't have to flex it, but it kind of happens naturally. So it just goes 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, and then you start the dance again. It's very clear in the music where that goes. If you keep going and miss it, you're going to know right away. And so, you know, you'll just kind of fudge your feet and start it again. And that's it. So restart during wall 5 and a little tag after wall 11 before you start at wall 12. So all that's left to do for us then is to subscribe. Subscribe. Make sure you share this video and like the video and comment. And let's see if we can bring some new followers to this YouTube channel. That'd be cool. So, why don't we just dance it with some music, okay? Scully, move. I have more room. Go.
I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. Off from my city, off from my home. We're flying up, no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally. Come on, like the way we rock it, so don't stop. It's under the lights when everything goes. Nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well, you already know. So just imagine, I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. You're creeping up on you, so just dance, dance, dance. Come on, all those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. There ain't nobody leaving, so keep dancing. So just dance, dance, dance. So just dance, dance, dance. Ooh, it's something magical. It's in the air, it's in my blood, it's rushing on. I don't need no reason, don't be control. I fly so high, no ceiling when I'm in my zone. 'Cause I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally. You're more like the way we rock it, so don't stop. Under the lights when everything goes. Nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well, you already know. So just imagine.
Sorry.
I see but you when you dance, dance, dance. You're creeping up on you, so just dance, dance, dance. Come on, all those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. There ain't nobody leaving, so keep dancing. So just dance, dance, dance. So just dance, dance, dance. So just dance, dance, dance. So keep dancing. I can't stop it. I can't stop it.
We're gonna have a tag here. Here it comes.
I can't stop the, I can't stop the, I can't stop the feeling. I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. You're creeping up on you, so just dance, dance, dance. All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. There ain't nobody leaving, so keep dancing. Everybody say, down. Got this feeling in my body. Can't stop the feeling. Got this feeling in my body.
Woo! Look at that! Wow, that was so much fun. Parts of it can be a little confusing. I did make a little goof there, but you know I like to show you that I'm human, and if I can leave it in, if it's not a total disaster, I just leave it in. So, as I mentioned earlier, please share the video. Let people see it. Encourage them to subscribe like yourself. And please comment, like it, that would be so awesome. And I would love to dance with you in person. I teach in Los Angeles for the Borderline and for Cowboy Palace. I do cruises, and I would love to hear from you. So on behalf of my baby who moved partway through when I was turning on the music, thanks buddy. Scully and I thank you for dancing. Big stretch. I'll see you on the dance floor.